Chromebook support for Linux has opened new possibilities to Android developers to run code editors, including Google's Android Studio development tool. Besides, the Chromebooks should have a large display. Whether you are streaming your favorite shows and movies or attending video calls or just navigating the screen, a large screen makes this easier for you. These are the primary features you need to consider before purchasing the best Chromebook for Linux. Factors to consider: 1. Processor. 2. RAM. 3. Screen size. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 Chromebooks for Linux currently available on the market. If you're interested in learning more about the products we mention, be sure to check out the links in the description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Lenovo 3i Chromebook. Lenovo 3i Chromebook is a great choice for those who want smooth performance. It has a large 15.6-inch Full HD display with thin edges, giving you an immersive view. The Intel Celeron N4500 processor makes multitasking and watching videos quick and easy. Plus, it lasts up to 10 hours on a single charge, so you can work all day without any interruptions. It's designed for convenience, with an easy-to-flip lid, a big touchpad, and stereo speakers for clear sound. It's also very secure, with startup checks and automatic updates to keep you safe from malware. And with Google Assistant built in, managing tasks and smart devices is simple. Whether you're working or having fun, this Chromebook gives you high performance at a great price. At number 2, Acer Spin 311 Chromebook. Acer is another popular brand that manufactures a wide range of laptops and laptop accessories. The brand has a dedicated line of premium Chromebook laptops that come with built-in virus protection and are designed to start in a few seconds. Acer's Chromebook Spin 311 laptop is powered by an Intel Celeron N4020 processor for faster processing speed. The laptop continues to stay fast over time without any lagging issues. It is well complemented by the 4GB LPDDR4 RAM. It has a decent storage capacity of 32GB that is sufficient for storing multimedia and professional documents. Plus, you get free 100GB Google Drive space with offline access for automatic backup of your files. The laptop features a 11.6-inch HD IPS display with touchscreen for easy access and navigation. There is no setup needed and the Google Chrome OS updates automatically when connected online. The built-in virus protection ensures that your laptop is not corrupted. It comes with all the standard Google apps including Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. Adding on to this, Google Play gives you access to more than 2 million Android apps. The 360-degree convertible feature allows you to use the laptop in 4 different modes: laptop mode, tablet mode, display mode, and tent mode for optimized experience. The wide-angle view webcam supports HDR imaging for enhanced video conferencing and face-to-face chats. The battery lasts for up to 10 hours. At number 3, Lenovo Flex 5 Chromebook. Lenovo's Chromebook Flex 5 laptop is powered by the latest 10th General Intel Core i3-10110U processor for an intelligent performance and responsive experience. The 4GB DDR4 RAM further boosts the performance. It has a large storage space of 64GB for storing documents and media related to your office, school, or other personal tasks. With your Google account, you can conveniently access files, documents, videos, and music stored on your cloud space. The laptop features a 13-inch Full HD display for supporting high visual quality. It is well complemented by 2 stereo speakers for an immersive experience. The laptop has a 2-in-1 interface with keyboard and touchscreen for easy interaction and navigation. You can use the Lenovo Digital Pen for writing, clicking, and dragging files on the screen. Plus, this laptop is 360-degree convertible for rotating the keyboard through 360 degrees and using it as a tablet. There is also a built-in webcam for video conferencing and face-to-face chats. The Chromebook is equipped with 3 USB ports and an audio jack, along with the latest Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5 for fast and reliable connections. The laptop's battery lasts for up to 10 hours on a single full charge. Now number 4, Dell Chromebook. This Chromebook is powered by an Intel Celeron N4020 processor that has a maximum clock speed of 2.80 GHz for fast processing speed. The 4GB computer memory ensures that the laptop boots faster and all the tasks are executed almost instantly. It comes with all the standard Chromebook features including Google Apps, easy-to-use features, and built-in virus protection. The laptop is equipped with an 11.6-inch display that supports resolutions of up to 1366 by 768 pixels. This laptop lasts longer with a battery life of up to 14 hours from a single full charge for maximum productivity. Like all Dell laptops, this one also features a durable construction. It has been tested rigorously beyond MIL STD standards. Plus, it has been tested to survive 30-inch drops onto steel and 5,000 free-fall micro drops. It has rubberized edges that minimize the impact from drops. Adding on this, the laptop has a tamper and spill-resistant keyboard. Now our last product is HP Chromebook. HP's Chromebook blends style and functionality, ideal for those valuing reliability and performance. With a 14-inch display boasting 1366 by 768 pixel resolution, it delivers clear visuals for work and entertainment. Powered by an Intel Celeron N4120 processor with turbo boost up to 2.6 GHz, it ensures smooth performance for tasks like document editing, video streaming, and web browsing. The integrated Intel UHD Graphics 600 enhances graphical capabilities for multimedia and casual gaming. Featuring up to 4 GB DDR4 RAM and 64 GB M storage, users can effortlessly handle multiple applications and store their files. Chrome OS simplifies the computing experience with quick boot times and seamless integration with Google services. Built-in Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth connectivity keep users connected and enable wireless internet access. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.